Hello, my crafty friends. It's Jellybean again. And today, yesterday, I got some Happy Mail. And I wanted to share it with you. And of course, it's from no other than our Susan Tootsie Tucker. And, I've cut it open, but that's all I did. And I didn't, well, it's not going to pop up. So, okay, that's good. Anyway, first of all, let me apologize for all the paint on my hands. My grandson come in yesterday afternoon after school and goes, "Oh, Grandma, we're gonna do a vocabulary parade and I need a costume." They don't do Halloween costumes at his school. So what they do is they do a vocabulary parade and they pick a word off the vocabulary list and they dress up as this word. Well, his word just happened to be metamorphic rock. So, he has a rock collection. That doesn't surprise me. But anyway, when I went to get my craft paints out to paint his big rock, I didn't have enough black craft paint to make a giant rock to hang on the front of him. So, I had to break out my house paints. And the only one I had was enamel paint, so it's oil based and it will not come off. So I've been scrubbing and scrubbing, but anyway, long story short, my hands got paint all over them. Sorry. Anyway, let's see what Miss Susan Tootsie Tucker has done this time. She's quite surprising, I'll tell you. She's been sending everybody little things. I love the stamp she has. It says eek eek and it's got little spiders on it. That is really cute. So I guess it's something Halloweeny in here. I thought I already got Halloweeny from her, but let's see what it is. Aw, yay! I get another one of her cards. I love her cards, y'all. If y'all don't know who Susan is and haven't seen her cards, I will link her channel below because she makes amazing cards. See what I mean? Look how cute this is. It is so cute, and she's glittered up the trick, and she's put little sequincy bats on there, and she's got a dolly. And look, Mr. Bones is on there. Y'all see Mr. Bones? I've seen his new condo. It's pretty cool. Okay. Look here, inside she's got a ticket with happy hunting. Looks like Frankenstein's kind of being persnickety there. And then she's also got some more cutouts down here with the little ghost and mummy and the girl dressed like a cat. I love that. Oh, now this is how innovative and no paper left behind Miss Tucker is, because I know this because I have this die, and this is the snowflake rosette die, what's left on the sides after she cut them out, y'all. Look, that's from the cutouts from the die, for the snowflake die. That is awesome. Smart thinking, lady. I love that. And then we got this creepy centipede on top, and some fun crinkle with little spiders in it. Look, she sprinkled little spider confetti all in it. And of course y'all know purple's my favorite. So see the little spiders she put in there? Isn't that cool? Anyway, have to save all this. I'm gonna put it over here. I can't believe you, lady. And by the way, I just love watching you and having your bestie on the phone. That is super awesome. It is so much fun. Y'all make me want to come over and have a good time with y'all, because y'all are really fun together. You can tell you've been friends for a long time. Ah, it's the hot tub. This is awesome. It's Mr. Bones, and this is his hot tub in the witch's cauldron. Look at this. This is super awesome. Oh, that's his spider towel hanging on the side. I hope y'all can see this really good. if y'all haven't seen her channel, she has done a series of Mr. Bones, and this is Mr. Bones. She's got googly eyes on him. That is so funny. And he's got a condo. Oh man, my mind went blank. He's been sitting at a piano singing to his woman. She has just done a whole series, and it is so cute and so creative. You know, I don't know what we would do if we could get into the mind of Miss Susan. But she's got this cute little flower here she's made, and she put a googly eye in the center. Look at there, y'all. Woo. That is so cute. And this is that tubing that I was showing y'all that she made these rosettes out of. Look how she did this. I'm gonna kind of try to show the rosette. Isn't that cool? And it's just perfect for Halloween. This is awesome, Susan. Thank you so much. And he's got this little wine glass goblet sitting there, and she's got this fuzzy stuff coming out. She's got bubbles all over. Isn't that just so cute? Look, he's got a bubble on his toes, y'all. That is so cute. Oh, and she sent me some purple flowers. That's it. I'm done. Purple and flowers, two of my very favorite things. Thank you so much. That is awesome. And I'm going to set this right beside the Mrs. Bones that Lily sent me that's cooking in her apron. I still have that sitting out for my Halloween decor. And thank you so much. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a crafty day, and we'll see you real soon.